Matapos ang 12 taon ng pagiging magkasintahan ni Shaira at A.A. Guzman, ikinasal na kahapon ang dalawa. Sa mga hindi nakakilala, si Shaira May Berlanga de la Cruz Guzman ay kilala bilang Shaira Diaz, a Filipino actress and television host. She is currently an exclusive artist of GMA Network under Sparkle GMA Artist Center. She is 30 years old, while si Edgar Allan Guzman naman ay kilala bilang nickname and screen name A.A. Guzman, a Filipino actor, singer, host, and model. Shaira Diaz and A.A. Guzman grew emotional as they exchanged heartfelt vows during their wedding ceremony in Silang, Cavite yesterday. Grabe, mapapawaw na lang talaga tayo sa reception nila guys. Napakaganda guys. Tapos napakadaming mga bisita nila. Naluhan ng mga kaanak ng dalawa at mga kasamahan nila sa showbiz. Present din sa seremonya bilang groomsmen sina Coco Martin, Gerald Anderson, River Cruz, Rodjon Cruz, Joros Gomboza, and Jose Sarazola. Kabilang sa principal sponsors ng bagong kasal sina Senador Jingoy Estrada, Boy Abonda, Jean Garcia, Arnold Glavio, Susan Enriquez, Arnold Vigafria, Ben Chan, at GMA7 Executive Annette Gozon Valdez. Nag-join naman si Jeneline Mercado sa mga secondary sponsors. At nagsilbing bridesmaids naman sa kasal sina Jolia Montes, Jasmine Cortez, at Ara San Agustin. Habang bridesmen naman ang kasamahan ni Shaira sa unang hirit na sina Cardo Ting Kongko at Anjo Partera. Ilan sa mga bisita ni na A.A. at Shaira ang nag-share ng ilang photo sa social media na nakuha sa naganap na wedding. Ganap ang wedding sa St. Benedict Parish, West Grove Heights sa Silang, Cavite. Dinaluhan ng kanilang respective families at malalapit na kaibigan ang kasal ni Shaira at A.A. Guzman. Hilana na hindi kaagad nagpakasal ang dalawa para matupad muna ang iba pa nilang plano sa buhay, kabilang ang pagtatapos ni Shaira ng kolehiyo na nagawa niya noong Agosto 2024. With love and certainty, Shaira vows to stand by him, never let him wait again, and spend the rest of her life cherishing him as her husband, best friend, and greatest blessing. Ni Shaira, I promise from this day forward, you'll never have to wait again. I love you. I will stand beside you. You will always be my greatest blessing, my husband, my best friend. I'll spend the rest of my life loving you. She said, maging masaya ka na mamaya. Grabe talaga yung pagmamahala nila guys. Sabi ni Shaira guys, she then described A.A. as her safe place. But beyond the comfort he provided, he gave Shaira even more reasons to love him through his deep respect for her. Sabi niya, you love me, you love my family, you love me patiently, you accepted me, you let me grow, you embrace my whole family, you keep the promise you made to my parents, Shaira said. And then she also thanked A.A. for waiting for her for 12 years, expressing how proud and forever grateful she is that they kept their promise to the Lord. With love and certainty, Shaira vows to stand him, never let him wait again. Hey guys, nakaka-inspire talaga yung wedding nila guys. Papasana all na lang tayo. Isa din sa memorable moment ni Shaira guys na makasayaw ang kanyang daddy sa kanyang kasal. Makikita talaga natin na masaya din ang daddy ni Shaira guys na nakasal na talaga siya sa wakas. At of course, ito yung pinakahintay sa lahat. Kainan time. So, napakadaming food na inihanda talaga, guys. At mag-ano lang kayo, mag-choose na kayo kung anong gusto nyo. Kitang-kita nyo ang daming bisita nila. Pero talagang nag-i-enjoy talaga sila sa food. Wala kayong masabi. At ito ang mga wini-wish ng lahat, guys. Yung magandang reception, magagandang food, para masaya yung mga bisita, guys, nakakain, guys. O, kitang-kita naman talaga natin na nag-i-enjoy sila. At nag-choose na sila kung anong gusto nila. Nag-i-enjoy talaga sila sa food. Sobrang enjoy nila guys. Pinipicturean na lang nila at nakakain na din sila. So walang diet dito. Kikita ko talaga yung mga idol ko dito guys. Yung mga kilalang mga aktor talaga. So madami talaga silang bisita, mga sponsors dyan. So nakita ko dito si Gerald, si Ara, si Joros guys. Napakagwapo. Si Paulo at si Chariz. Nandito din si Kokoy at si Jean Garcia. And of course, the bride and the groom. Congrats to Shaira and A.A., the newly couple.
Shaira!